You are 15, but you do nothing for this family.
Dad, I want to help, but I need a chance. He's just a boy, dear.
A boy who needs to learn responsibility. You cannot support us, so leave this house.
We are tired of waiting for you. I will not lose hope. I will change my life. Please give me a chance.
Work hard and learn.
I will. Thank you. Please, I need a job. Sorry, not hiring. Please, any work?
Come back tomorrow. Be honest.
I will do my best. Every day teaches me.
That's the spirit, Ali.
I will keep trying.
I'm proud of you.
Knowledge is power. My dream is big. Small steps matter.
Your work is good.
Thank you. I started small.
Keep it up. I believe in myself. I can succeed.
Your work is amazing. Thank you. I try my best. I'll take it. We want some too. Of course, coming right up. You are working hard. My dream is big.
I will never give up. Success needs patience.
You are a great leader.
We work together. Yes, together. He became successful. Hard work helped me. I remember my hard days. They made me strong. We lost our son.
We made a mistake. We need to find him.
I hope he forgives us. You became great.
I worked hard. We need your support.
I will help you. Can you forgive me? You are my father. Thank you, son. We'll get through this together.
Thank you, Ali. Family comes first.
We are proud of you.
Love is important. You changed our lives.
We are together. Never lose hope. Dreams can come true.
Your company is famous now.
Hard work changed my life. I will never forget my past. It made me strong. We made a mistake.
We need Ali's help.
Can you forgive us? You are still my family. Money is not bigger than family.
We are proud of you.
Hi everyone, Moral of the story: never lose hope. Hard work can change life, but kindness makes you truly successful. Thank you.